Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this episode, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can close your blockchain account. So then to close your blockchain account, all you have to do is just make sure to log in first of all. And once you're logged in, go ahead and tap on the profile icon from the bottom right hand side corner. Then that's going to directly take you to the profile page. And from here, you have to go to the section of settings. And under it, you need to click on the account button. After you click on the account button, you'll be able to see this sort of interface. So go to manage account management and click on delete account. After you click on it, it's going to ask you to confirm the information, and if you're sure about it, then click on the delete account button. Next page, there will be some sort of confirmation. So in order to confirm it, you have to type in the following mentioned criteria, that is delete my account, and click on delete account. And as soon as you do that, you've successfully deleted your blockchain account permanently. So that's basically how you can delete your blockchain account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.